So I'm going to plug a blog and a term. I first heard this from one of our amazing equity leaders in our district, Krishana Roberson, and it's the term Fakequity. And you can actually look up the blog on Google, Fakequity blog. A lot of great stuff coming out of them right now, resources. Check it out. The reason I'm kind of sitting in that space right now is the Bellevue School District has been looking at a possibility of a school policy, board policy around racial equity, and they had a lot of community forums. Went to several of those, facilitated several of them, and there was just communication sent out to the community today that they are not going to pursue a racial equity policy this year, and that they're going to be doing some different stuff. And so the term Fakequity kind of came up, which is when you kind of give lip service to equity without truly doing the work. And you know, racial equity is really difficult work to do, and especially in places and individuals like myself that are centered in whiteness and have that lens and have that perspective, because it's really easy to try to slip into this kind of like colorblind or not prioritizing the marginalized voices as being equal to or more than other voices. And so I think this is a step backwards for Bellevue School District, and I am hoping that, you know, nothing is stalled. They said that we're going to be continuing the work as we should be, but part of that work is having a policy that you know, centers this racial equity as a primary focus of our district and adds accountability to every employee of the district to be in line with racial equity. And so it's a disappointing thing, and I'm just kind of reflecting on the term Fakequity and how it exists within me and how I need to continuously self-evaluating whether I'm really doing the work or if I'm just presenting about doing the work. You know, I think part of that is being accountable. I've spoken about this before, being accountable to people of color, and to continue to listen and learn from our students of color, our families of color. And I feel like as a district we disappointed them today and failed to move from Fakequity to real equity. So we'll see how it goes. I'm going to remain optimistic, and I'm going to keep doing what I do and keep doing the work and keep engaging in the work and engaging others. And we'll see what happens. I hope over time that this really does become truly what our district is about. So we'll see. We'll see you next time.